We have here x squared over 25, x squared over 25 minus y squared over 9. So we can simply here say that the x has a positive sign here. So since the x has a positive sign, so we can simply here write that a squared is equal to 25. And now the a is equal to
5.
Positive or negative 5. And the b squared, the other
9.
one below the y, which is 9. And the b only
B
is
equal
equal to
positive, negative 3.
positive or negative 3.
3.
Now, write the c squared equals a squared plus b squared.
Plus B square.
And simply the c squared equals
25
25 plus 9. So 25 plus 9,
14.
25 plus 9 is equal
34.
to 34. So this is c squared. Now to find the c,
C equals
you can
positive,
say
negative
c
6.
equals plus minus root
6.
34. Yeah, which is about what? Positive or negative? Yes, 5.7, 5.8, like this.
Yes.
Okay, to graph here your hyperbola. So let's graph, ya shabab. Draw first coordinate plane. The x-axis and the y-axis. Let's start first by plotting the center. The center, as you see, there is no h and k. X squared only and y squared only in the numerators.
0,
so we
0.
have to plot the center as 0, 0. So my center now is 0, 0, 0 here, this point. Okay, because the x squared has a positive sign, so we have to move to the right 5 units and to the left 5 units. So moving 5 units to the right from the center, 0, 0. So it's 5 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. Okay. And moving also to the left 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's here. It's clear for you guys? Nice. Let's move up here. We can move up 3 units and down 3 units. From the center, move up 3 units. It's 1 point and down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 units.
So
okay, and then draw
vertical, we move up 5 units.
We should move up 5 units.
Yes, if vertical.
Vertical here.
No, miss, I'm asking if it is vertical.
If it's vertical, the equation will be y squared over 25 minus x squared over 9, for example.
Yes,
so you have to move up
we'll,
5, up and down.
we will move up 5 units, right?
Yeah, sure. So let's connect here these points. Connect the points, the vertices and the co-vertices. The vertices, draw a rectangle like this. Through the vertices and the co-vertices. The vertices on the x-axis right now, and the co-vertices, what? Okay, like this. Draw the asymptotes. The asymptotes, ya shabab. The asymptotes, pay attention, please. The asymptotes comes from here, guys, the corner, and passes through, it should be dashed the line and passes through what? The corner, and the center in the same time to the other corner of this rectangle, like this. Okay, the other asymptote will be from here, passes through the center, and it should intersect with the other asymptote at the center, 0, 0. Now, pay attention. Some of you draw the branches of the hyperbolas like this. No. Or, no, guys. Outside the rectangle. Outside what? The rectangle. So, from the vertex, from this vertex, we can move like this and approach your asymptote, and like this and approach your asymptote as specified, but does not touch it. Go on the second vertex and also move like this. Okay, and also here, like this. That's it. You will find that it opens right and what? And the left. That's it. We have the foci. The foci 5.7, foci or foci as you like, 5.7 in the transverse axis. The transverse axis, which is horizontal axis on the x-axis exactly, passes through the vertices and the center. We have vertex 1, here vertex 2. And also we have the center, 0, 0. So the foci or the foci, we have two foci, F1 and F2. F1 and F2, yes. Who can say F1 is at 5.7 and 0. And the other focus is at negative 5.7
and 0.
and 0.
Yes.
Plot these 2 points on the transverse axis, the one that passes through the center and vertices. Then 5.7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.7 before the 6 a little bit. And the other one, or the other focus, it's here. So that's why, as I said in the previous session, that guys, the vertice, the equation is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, because the foci are larger than the distance from the center to V1. So you have to know that V1 is not here. V1 is here, okay? And V2 is, oh my God. Right. The V2, you can erase it and do it again. The V2 is this point, okay? And here F1 is purple, right? Thank you. So this is your what? Equation of asymptotes. Equation of asymptotes. ما ننساهم. Equation of asymptotes are y equals plus minus. Since my x squared comes first and it has a positive, so it's b over a. Okay, because the slope of this yellow line, b over a. I'm gonna move up b units and to the right a units. So it's b over a, x. So y equals now, y equals plus minus the b, what's b? 3 over the a, it's 5. 3 over 5
3
x.
over 5. Yes.
And now you got the full mark of your classwork. This is the first question. The second one, number 2, in your classwork, y squared over 4 minus x squared over 16 is 1. So let's ask here, who can solve this question, guys? Omar,
Yes, Mr.
Omar Salama. Yes, Omar Salama.
Yes,
to
can you
answer?
hear me? Yes,
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
answer.
Yeah, the positive
The-
sign with the y squared. So what is a squared now?
A squared is equal to 4.
Right, below the variable that has a positive sign. So the a is equal to,
Positive, negative, 2.
yes. Okay, what's
B
the b?
squared is equal to
Squared.
16.
B squared is equal to 16. So the b is equal to
Positive or negative
plus
4.
minus 4.
Yes. And
C squared.
C squared is equal to 4 plus 16.
Yeah, c squared is equal to directly a squared plus b squared. So 4 plus 16. So is what?
So positive or negative radical 20.
Positive or negative radical 20. And root 20 is 2 root 5, right?
2 root 5, yes.
2 root 5. So this is the C. Yes. It's a graph. Here's the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, right. The center is at
2
center is
لا
at
لا
center,
0
center.
and
H and K. There is no H and K here with the X's and Y's. We don't have yani X, H and K, so my center is 0 and
0 0
0.
yes.
Yeah, so this point here is 0 0. Right. Okay. Then from the center 0 0, we can move
Four
up or
points.
down. Yes, for two points. The A.
yes 2 points عشان ال A.
The A is what? Positive 2, and the B is plus minus 4. So we will start first
يعني
to put
بنروح
our
right و
vertices.
left 4 وال A بتكون up و down 2.
Yes, up and down 2 units. So let's move up here. 2 units up and 2 units down. And then, yes,
4 units
you
right
said,
and 4 units
أيوة, 4 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 units
and
left.
4 units left.
1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And guys, connect the points. Try to connect the points here. It's better also to
Draw
make
the
your what?
asymptotes.
The rectangle. The rectangle should be also dashed. And it's not appear on the graph, guys. You just use it to make a framework, guys, for your hyperbola. But this rectangle مش موجود أصلا. Okay? Then connect the points. It's connected. Draw first the asymptotes. Come like this and passes through the other corner. And from here, this all called the framework, guys, for your hyperbola. And then connect to the points. Like which points I have to draw my parabolas منهم? The blue ones or the yellow ones? يعني the parabolas open its right or left or up or down, right or left or up or down, up and down. So here, like this, my vertex. So here V1. Okay, and we'll draw one below. You should approach, guys, the asymptotes. That's why we have to draw our asymptotes. طيب. So guys, your point start from the vertex. Start from the vertex 1 and vertex 2. Start, make to what? Make your parabola like this. Okay, so we have 2 parabolas. As you see, opens up and down. Okay, then write the equation of the asymptote. Y equals, yes. Yes, Shabab, who can complete here this question? Yes, Omar Mohammed. A over B, in case, excellent. A over B, X, because here my equation starts from what? Y.
From Y square.
Yes, Y squared.
Which
so
equals
Y,
to 4 with
the A.
Yeah, 2 over 4.
2 over 4.
4x.
So your answer is 2 over
Which equals
4x.
to half.
Yes, or you can write it as plus minus half x in simplest form. Right. Any question? Any question? Grade 11B.
No.
You have any question? Sure.
Mr. When do you know if it's open a board or right side? Or
From the equation. Starts by y squared, opens up and down.
Okay.
Starts by x squared, opens right and left. Okay. Yes. Now let's practice more, guys, on this point. When we graph here the hyperbola, x squared over 121 minus y squared over 81 equals 1. Yes, me ask Muhammad Faris. Start. Identify A, B, and C. The A squared is below the positive variable. Positive variable here is x squared. So my a squared is 121. Okay. So my a, Ahmed Faris, is what? Plus minus 11.
Yes. Plus minus 11, then b squared equals 81.
Yes. B squared is equal to 81. So the b is
b is plus minus 9.
root 81 is 9.
Yes.
Perfect.
Now
Yes, this is the
c
A
squared
and B.
equals a squared plus b squared.
Yes, a squared plus b squared.
C squared equals
So-
121 plus 81.
Yes, equal
202, right?
what? 202. Correct. So
Yes.
what's radical 202? Root 202.
Give me 1 minute, sir.
In simplest form or in
It's,
decimal form. It's better.
it's 14.2.
14.2.
Yes.
Okay,
Plus
this is the
minus
C.
14.2.
Plus minus 14.2. So I think that you have to do this work quickly. Okay, guys. Then at the
Now,
right here,
we'll,
we would like to graph. نبدأ نعمل coordinate plane. So you have to use the grid paper, guys.
the
Use a
40
grid
points
paper.
is
بالله.
14.2 and 0 and negative 14.2 and 0.
From the center, all my questions today, when the center is what?
0,
0, 0.
Yes.
And then start from your point, 0, 0 center. 0, 0, طيب. The A is
11.
11. And the B is 9.
9.
So I think that we need more space here. And
Move-
the equation,
count by
the
2.
parabolas opens right or left? Right and left. Okay. Yes, Muhammad.
Skip counting. by
From the
2,
center,
sorry.
0, 0.
Yes, 11 in the y-axis.
طيب. We will move here 11 units to the y-axis. On the y-axis, we will move up 11 units.
Yes.
We will move up.
Right, on x-axis, sorry.
The transverse axis will be here on the x-axis. So we will move here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so from the beginning, guys, I will only translate my graph 1 unit to the left, like this. Okay, and extend the line. Okay, yes, Mohammed, sorry. We have 11
Yes,
units.
11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 here. This point and 11 units to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Every time, guys, when you graph, you should لازم يحصل نفس الكلام. Okay.
Mister, we can't skip counting by 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, it's better. And then we have decimals. Okay. Okay, and then we move up 9 units.
Up 9 and
1,
down
2,
9.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up 9 units and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here. Okay. This is the y-axis. Okay, Muhammad? Yes.
Yes.
Then connect these points by a
A triangle or a square.
triangle,
Like a square.
rectangle.
Rectangle, sorry, yes.
Okay. Draw the rectangle. Wow. And now the
Now we have focal points.
asymptotes
And asymptotes, yes, from
asymptotes.
the corners and should pass through
to the other corner.
center.
Yes, here. This one and the other one from here. passes through the other corner. All right. Okay,
Left
then
and right, the parabolas.
the parabola is left and right.
We can't draw it, so
Why?
smaller, Mr. Yes,
Yes,
okay.
it's here like this, and this one moves like this.
Yes.
Okay. مفعوصة في الحيط. Okay, and here a parabola opens to.
And we have
Just like
the focal point or focal points 14.2 and negative 14.2.
طيب, the foci is 14.2. Where's 14.2? Here. Here is 11, 12, 13, 14.2. Here, F1. Okay, and negative 14.2. I think it's here.
Yes.
F2. Okay, so this is your graph. Now, do this question, guys, classwork. And this one also. So this one is 6. And number 5, 1 minute, please. Let's secure number 5. 121 and 36. Yes, x squared over 121 minus y squared over 36 equals 1. Draw your hyperbolas or graphic. Yeah, شباب, classwork, both of them. And also, say your classwork via